Now we are taking into consideration the gas equation, the kinetic gas equation. It is actually formulated by combining the Boyle's and the Charles law. So you have learned from Boyle's law that volume is inversely proportional to pressure. Now you know the logic behind. We have done Boyle's law in detail, right? So similarly, by Charles' law, we came to know that volume is directly proportional to temperature. We get the kinetic gas equation by clubbing the both laws. So that means we have V is directly proportional to T and inversely proportional to P. So just transferring them, we can write PV is directly proportional to T. By removal of proportionality sign, we put constant R. As I told you that sometimes the constant has certain name and sometimes it doesn't have any specific name. Sometimes it has certain value, certain fixed units, and sometimes it don't. So in this case, the constant has the name, that is the gas constant, molar gas constant, and its value is also fixed. So this expression which I have written for the 1 mole, and if we are considering more than 1 mole, then this gas equation becomes PV is equal to nRT, where n specify the number of moles, but for 1 mole it is PV is equal to RT. Now we are taking we'll be taking the numericals based on this, but before we do that, we should know that if we have the two gases, if we have the gas with P1, V1 and T1, and we are just changing the pressure, volume and temperature relations, suppose it comes out to be this, so the relation we are going to use to solve them will be P1 upon V1 is equal to T1 is equal to P2 V2 upon T2. So this is how we are going to relate the quantities. So we are all we'll be taking up numericals next, but before we proceed, I may tell you that we are finished with the gas laws. We are finished with this thing, how the gas, the pressure, and how the you can say how in which unit the mass is being taken, how we calculate the pressure by using barometer, manometer, and all laws. So whenever you are studying the gas, just keep in mind you should be familiar with its properties, that how the volume is going to vary by changing the condition of temperature, pressure, mass, and somehow like that.